Hello everyone, great to see you all. My name is Nur Amalin Aisyah binti Herizan. My matrix number 164128. We are from course of Pure Chemistry. Today, me and my partner.
Hi everyone, my name is Nurul Hanis binti Rosli, matric number 162055.
Our group 21, we would like to present to all of you about our assignment KUT 100. Our topic that we want to share is explosion of ammonia gas cylinder in Malacca. Before we start, let me show you guys our content for this topic. Firstly, introduction or storyline of the case study with cited source. Second, the causes for the incident or accident, human error or due to the natural disaster, etc. Lastly, preventive aspect after the incident or accident. Next, what is security and chemical security? Security is the preventive measure designed to reduce the risk of intentional removal, theft, and misuse of a chemical hazard intent to cause harm. Chemical security is the prevention and control of the unauthorized access, loss, theft, misuse, diversion, or intentional release of hazardous material or energy or the acquisition of dual-use equipment that could be used in the manufacture of chemical weapons. Chemicals that are used every day in labs and factories can be hazardous. Chemicals can be harmful to the health of the workers. They can also be a threat to the safety of the workers, the community, and to the environment. In this sequel, safety is the most right thing to do. Anticipation and considering the safety rules in the beginning is easier, cheaper, safer, and it can save your time. Next, storyline of our case study. Explosion incident involved the ammonia gas cylinder that occurred at an ammonia gas filling and bottling factory in the state of Malacca in March 2011. This factory has been operating for more than 20 years. The ammonia gas supply obtained from the supplier to this factory will be stored first in the bulk storage tanks with a capacity of 500 and 900 tons before it is transferred or filled into ammonia gas cylinder. The gas cylinder found in this factory have a capacity 60 kg, 68 kg, and 500 kg. Most of these cylinders are more than 20 years old. On the day of the incident, at approximately 5:45 p.m., a cylinder filled with ammonia gas and arranged lying on the ground with two layers suddenly exploded. This first explosion caused the cylinder arranged with it to be thrown and some flew to the surrounding area. Around 7:15 p.m., an ammonia gas cylinder that was thrown into the refilling station suddenly exploded. This second explosion caused the roof of the refilling station to suffer severe damage, and a cylinder nearby was thrown and fell onto the storeroom. This caused severe damage to the roof and ceiling of the storeroom. This explosive ammonia gas cylinder was found in the torn state of the side of the hull. There were no injuries or deaths to workers in this incident. Rescue teams arrived at the scene and stabilized the blast area. The initial investigation found that the explosion may have been caused by an increase in the pressure, which is internal pressure of the ammonia gas in the cylinder store outside and due to the presence of several defects in the ammonia gas cylinder.
Next, the causes for the incident or accident. First, a nearby ammonia cylinder had blown off and drifted all the way to another factory opposite the scene. Second, the exploding cylinder had flew to an oil manufacturing plant and hit one of the parts of the oil pipe system, causing damage to the pipe's insulation. Third, one cylinder floated and fell, hitting the roof of the mosque next to the office building of the factory. And lastly, one cylinder was thrown into the refilling station in this factory area. Next, preventive aspect after the incident or accident. First, comply fully with the requirement found in MSTS and hydrous ammonia, especially in aspect of bottling, storage, handling, and transportation. Second, conduct periodic inspection and test on gas cylinders in accordance with recognized code or standard. Third, perform comprehensive and scheduled maintenance on ammonia gas cylinders. Fourth, gas cylinders can be stored or placed outside the building, but the bottom should be protected or padded from the ground to prevent the bottom from corroding. It should also be avoided or protected from direct sunlight. Fifth, make sure the cylinder is not exposed to any source of ignition or any temperature above 52 degrees Celsius. Sixth, cylinders that have been filled with gas and empty ones should be kept separately and also marked or labeled to avoid confusion. Seventh, gas cylinders should be stored in a place with enough and good ventilation and away from source of flame, sparks, or heat. Also keep the cylinder away from any electrical circuit or wiring. 8. Do not use gas cylinders for the purpose of rolling, supporting, or any other purpose other than the delivery and supply of gas. 9. Ammonia gas cylinders should always be placed or arranged in an upright position and held firmly to prevent them from falling, overturning, and bumping. Use a suitable cage or hand truck when lifting the cylinder. Do not roll, drag, or pull or slide the cylinder. And lastly, workers should be given training, written guidance, and information on the safe handling of ammonia gas cylinders and close supervision by their supervisors. This is our references from OSHA and DOSH. Thank you for listening.